guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Thursday when I'm filming this, and this is going to be my grocery haul for next week. So I'm going to have this up on Friday. I'm going to share my meal plan with you. I went to BJ's and I spent about $240. Got everything on my list. I think I forgot one thing, but not a huge deal. So I think I'll start over here. I got some Pirates booty. These are the individual lunch packs. BJ's has the best deal on these. Are like $8.99. So I grabbed this, which will last a long time. I got some of these Little Bite chocolate chip muffins. I think they were $7.99 and there was like a $2 coupon, so that huge box was $5.99. I got my BJ's butter. My girl Kira over at 50 Shades of Mom got me onto this last year. Really good butter. It's the BJ's like house brand, the Wholesale Farms. So I got a 4-pack of this. It freezes really well. I got the Stonyfield organic strawberry smoothies for Grady. I'm going to start getting these because I was looking at the ingredients in the Danimals, and these just have better ingredients. So I'll start getting these from now on. Unfortunately, Grady really likes them. He asked me for a smoothie every morning, so I'm going to start getting these. So I got strawberry. I got, let me move this Pirates booty over. I got a box of the Goldfish 30-pack. Really great deal on these as well. Grabbed these buffalo chicken rolls. I started getting these last year during football season and they are so good. And I need to have more things like this in my freezer because now since we're back in New York, we have a lot of family and friends that are constantly over. So I want to always have things that I can heat up, like little appetizer things like that. So I grabbed those. I got the Sabra hummus with pretzels, little individual cups, which these are great for me to take on the go. Because during the day when Grady's at school, I'm always on the go and I'm always starving. So I wanted to have something that I could throw in my bag when I'm going to be out for a few hours. I got a big thing of fresh chicken thighs. They are portioned out in, looks like 4 or 5 different portions of 2 to 3 thighs per portion, which is great. I got some Arnold's brand organic 22 grains and seeds bread. I've never seen the Arnold organic. It looks like it's new, so I'm excited to try that and see if it's comparable to other like grainy breads that I like. This had a really great coupon. I don't buy a whole lot of prepared meals like this. There's definitely nothing wrong with doing that, but normally I just cook, but this was a great deal. It is a 2-pack, so there's 2 separate dinners in here of the shrimp, scampi, and linguine, and it was like $8.99, and then it had like a $3 coupon. So I just could not pass it up for the price. Alrighty, I got some Wholesale Farms French green beans. This is a good amount of green beans. It's a pound, so I'll be able to get a couple 2 to 3 dinners using this as like a side, so I grabbed those. I got this hard salami. I love having this on hand to put out with crackers and cheese, and we eat a lot of salami anyway, so I got that. This is one of my favorite items. I've talked about this a couple times. My mom got me onto this. My mother-in-law always also loves this. It is the Nature's Kitchen brand fresh salsa, but it's honestly, guys, it's more like a pico. It's not like saucy, like a jarred salsa. It's more like a chunky pico. It's not really, it doesn't really have like a sauce. I hope that makes sense. It's not like a tomato-based sauce. I highly recommend this. It is so good for so many different things, not only for salsa, but I use it to top, like I'll make grilled chicken breast or chicken breast, and then I'll put this on top. It's just so good. I can't explain it. You have to try it for yourself. But I went ahead and grabbed 2 of these because every time I've gotten one, I've always wished I got another one. I think they're like $5, but this is a good size container and they really pack it in there. It just tastes so good and very, very fresh. Love this. I got a big thing of the sweet cream, Natural Bliss coffee creamer. I love that. Matt is going to be so happy because he asked me, if you don't get anything else, get me my prosciutto mozzarella rolltini singles. He loves these. They are pricey. They're like $10, which comes out to like $1 per stick, but they are large. They're much larger than like a normal cheese stick, so I grabbed him those. I needed some cling wrap, so I got a 2-pack of cling wrap. I got a boneless, dry rubbed pork loin for a pork loin dinner one night. I'll throw this in the freezer for now. I got a big thing of organic strawberries and a big thing of organic raspberries, which are 2 of Grady's favorite fruits besides banana. I got some Near East rice pilaf, the 6-pack. I love this. It's a great little side dish, and it just tastes really, really good. I got some snack pack sized bags. This is a 4-pack, so there's a ton of them in here, which I use a lot of for Matt's lunches and Grady's lunches. Chips, they always have the deal 2 for $5.98, and these are the huge bags. So I got a Dorito, and then I also got our usual Scoops chips. We love Scoops in this house. I make nachos all the time. Really good deal for under $6. Matt's sharp cheddar cheese sticks, really great deal on these as well. I got a 6-pack of large black pitted olives because we go through a lot of olives on salads. I like to put like a bowl of them out when family comes over, and Matt takes them for work as well. Another prepared meal. I've never tried this brand, I don't think, but it had an amazing coupon. I think it was like $8.99, and then it had like a $3 off coupon, and it looked really good. It says white meat chicken, tomatoes, balsamic vinegar, basil, and imported Romano cheese, and this will be easy just to make and then throw over some pasta or even some of that rice that I just showed. So again, we'll go in the freezer for a rainy day when I need it. I got my 2-pack of the sharp cheddar cheese, another item that Kira got me onto. I love it because it's perforated, so I can tear one off, freeze one, and throw one in my fridge, because cheddar is the main cheese that I cook with. I got a big box of these Red Baron singles for lunches. I find on the weekends, I'll pop some of these in the oven, and me and Matt will have them. My son loves these. I make him one of these for dinner like once a week, so I grabbed those. I got some Mandarin Oranges. I love these. Grady loves these. My husband loves these, so I grabbed a 16-pack of these. Some jalapeno cheddar mission wraps. I'm actually going to make Matt a sandwich on this tomorrow for lunch, and I love the jalapeno cheddar flavor. I got a 3-pack of my favorite beef. This is the Nature Source ground beef, so I got a 3-pack here, which is great because I can do 3 separate meals. I stopped at the deli and got some Dietz and Watson buffalo chicken breast. It's really, really good. So I got almost a pound of that, and I got almost a pound of Swiss cheese for Matt's sandwiches. I got a 3-pack of the Vermont Maple Johnsonville breakfast sausage. Love these because we do breakfast for dinner once a week, and then on the weekends we do an actual breakfast. So I think that is everything I got, and I will share with you guys now my meal plan for the week. Alright guys, meal plan for the week of April 15th through the 21st. So my mother and father-in-law came over last week, and they brought us some really good kibasi from like an actual like smokehouse, independent like meat, I guess meat market smokehouse. So it's some homemade kielbasa. So I'm gonna saute that up over some cabbage, which I just used the coleslaw mix from Walmart. So that'll be a really easy dinner one night. They also brought me some chicken breasts from the meat market. So I'm going to make some breaded chicken cutlets. I just pound them out really thin, the chicken breast, and then pan fry them. So I'll do chicken cutlets, mashed potatoes, and then some of the green beans from BJ's. This week I am making a batch of my mom's kind of recipe homemade tomato sauce with turkey meatballs, and I'll make some kind of pasta, and I'll make a salad and some bread. Another night I'm going to do the Pioneer Woman recipe, Sloppy Joe. I'll link that below. It's really, really good. And I'll have to pick up some brioche rolls from Walmart, and then I'll make a salad or veggies on the side. I'm going to do my pork chop stroganoff recipe one night over egg noodles with some kind of veggie. I'll link this recipe down below as well. I haven't made it in a long time, and it's really good. And then they also brought me some hot dogs, all beef hot dogs from that the meat market slash smokehouse. So I'm gonna do those. If it's too cold to grill outside, which it may or may not be, it's only been in the 40s here, I'll just pan fry them or boil them. And then I have some chili left over, like chili. I'll use like chili as like a meat sauce on top of the hot dogs with some melted cheddar cheese, and then I'll make potato or pasta salad, whatever I am in the mood for, and have on hand to go along with the hot dogs. And then of course I always have my breakfast or leftover night, which is nice because it gives me a break to either throw leftovers together or a quick breakfast together. So that's the plan for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.